Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain how to lift and extract the work area. Let's begin! Let's start! The starting and ending points of a composition are called work areas. Work areas can also be used to specify and export parts of the composition, as well as for editing operations such as lifting and extracting layers. First, let's use the current time indicator to determine the starting point of the work area. The starting point of the work area has not been determined in this state. There is a work area start marker on the left side of the work area bar and a work area end marker on the right side. Drag these markers to determine the work area. The current time indicator you just moved will serve as a landmark when determining the start and ending points. First, use current time indicator to determine the starting point. Then, drag the work area start marker to the current time indicator to set the starting point for work area. Similarly, set the ending points for work area. Use current time indicator to determine the ending point. Then, drag the work area end marker to the current time indicator. As you can see, we have already set up a work area. If you want to move the work area from side to side while maintaining the time range, you can move it by dragging the work area bar from side to side. We will explain how to lift and extract layers using the work area. First, let's lift the layers using the selected work area. This is how the work area was set up. We lift the layers within this range. Choose the layer you want to lift. From Edit and Menu, select Lift Work Area. Work Area Lift has been operated. The scope of the work area has been deleted. In addition, the lifting layer is divided into two, and there will be the space between them. In the case of extracting work area, the layer of the work area range is deleted, just like lifting, but the deleted range is filled up. First, set up the work area. Choose the layer which you want to extract. From Edit and Menu, choose Extract Work Area. The work area extraction is conducted in this way. The layer is divided into two like the lift in the work area, but you can see that the deleted area is filled and placed. This concludes my explanation on how to lift and extract a work area. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.